Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to carry on exactly where we left off in the last one, in the special move scripts, and I'm going to come here after the void update. So in this lesson we're going to get the IEnumerator function in place, so we'll begin by putting that, and we'll give this a name of special move 1. So let's just open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. So we'll say while open and close brackets, in the brackets, application dot is playing. We'll come to the end of the line, we'll open and close brackets again. And here we'll say timer, so we'll call that function, open and close brackets, close that line off, and we'll just put in the comments that we're calling that function. So let's just paste that in, and then we'll copy and paste that line. And now we'll just put in pause. And we'll come below here, we'll say if brackets, in the brackets, button combination progress double equals 1. We want double and underscore button 2 is greater than, we'll say greater than or equals 0.5 f, and in fact we'll just put all that inside one set of brackets. That's all we need. Let's break that up for commenting. So we'll say if button combination progress is equal to 1, and we'll then say, and if button 2 is greater than or equal to 0.5 f. So let me just have a look now. Yep, got all that in place in the last lesson. We'll come inside this set of brackets, we're going to say underscore pause between button presses equals pause default, and underscore button combination progress plus plus, close that line off, and we'll get this into the comments. So we'll say then make pause, and in fact I'll just use pause equals pause default value, and increase the button combination progress And now we'll come here, we can copy that if block, we'll paste that in. So now we'll use combination progress is equal to 2. And we'll change that in the comments. And button 3 equals true. Change that comment. Equal to true. And that's all we need to change here, so let's just have a look. So now we can say if open and close in the brackets button combination project progress is greater than or equal to keys. Did I use key combination? That should actually be a lowercase k. Let's change that there. That's good. And we want the dot length. Come to the end of the line, we'll open and close again. I'll just break that up for commenting. If button combination progress is greater than or equal to the key combination length and we'll just use the stop or coroutines command. So stop all coroutines on the script, and then we'll come after the first close bracket, and because this is a numerator function we need to return a value, but we have no numeric value. So we'll just yield return null. And that has now got rid of that error there. So let's now come back to the void update and let's have a look. I think we've got all the code in apart from the start coroutine. Open and close brackets, inside the brackets, and we'll just copy and paste the special move naming convention in. So we'll say start special move 1 function. Okay, that's most of the code we need in place before we can start testing. We'll leave it here for this lesson. We'll pick this up in the very next video. We'll have a quick test out of what we've done so far. Nothing's going to happen, of course. We've not actually applied any code, but we'll use a couple of debug logs in order to check that this combination is working. But as I said, we'll do that in the next video. So As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.